We're here at the creek, and I'm pretty sure I just saw something swirl over there on the bank. There's big bass in here in this creek. Like, it's a small creek. Y'all would not think there's big bass in here, but there actually is some big bass in here. There's also some pretty big mudfish. Actually, there's some giant mudfish in here. So anyways, I'm going to be using a speed worm on Wacky Rig. This current is moving kind of fast, so I might need something with a weight on it, not weightless. It's a deer. That's disgusting. Somebody dropped a deer right here. That's sad. I mean, that's for all the meat and everything. It's already been skinned. Probably just somebody got it for the horns. That's ridiculous right there. Yeah, I gotta get something with a little weight. There's a fish. Nope, it's a bass, not a mudfish. First bass, a little fat chunky guy, a little creek bass. He's really cold too. Oh, it's too shallow right there. Done right there. And that was a little loud. Looks like a mudfish. There's bass. Oh, there's two bass. There's one with this bass. This is a good bass too. That's a fat, pretty bass. That's a thick one. There was another one chasing it. That's crazy. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am? Alright, I'll leave. Well, gotta love people like that, right? She said that's private property. No, actually 10 foot of that bank belongs to the city of Pooler. Getting to the pond is an easement which also belongs to the city of Pooler. My friend used to live here, so we had the rights to come out here. It does say residents only, but I was nice about it. I was like, yes, yeah, I'll leave, whatever. But I tell you what, I got friends out here. Next time we'll come out here, and if she says anything, we'll sorry, you can't say nothing. Anyways, I guess we'll go find another pond. You just gotta love people like that. I can't stand people like that, I swear. Doing no harm to them, but you know. Yeah, I guess we'll get to another pond. I missed a huge one here last night. Finally a fish. About 1.25 pounds. Sweet, let's get another one. There's a fish. Another small one. Not even a pound on that one. Got off. Dang, another small one. Super tiny. Very tiny guy. There's a fish right there. Oh my lord, dude. Oh, there he is, there he is, there he is, there he is. Oh, he let go of it again. They're off the bank a good bit today. Alright, so we did end up getting on a few bass. Nothing big, nothing special. The biggest was probably only 1.25 pounds, but Wacky Rig did do the job. Past few days have been super hot. I saw like almost like 76, 77 degrees, which is like January, I think January the 8th right now. For it to be 70 something degrees on the 8th. It should be like in the 20s and 30s where I'm at. So I don't know, the weather's just all messed up this week. But anyways, I hope y'all liked this video. If y'all did, leave a like, comment what y'all want to see in the next one. If y'all aren't a part of the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all guys on the next video.